Hey everybody, welcome back to Grey County Grilling. No grilling today. Gavin and I, and Maddie's going to help as well. We're going to make some what?
Pickled eggs.
We are going to make some pickled eggs. So we'll see how these turn out. We're not going to try them today because they're going to sit for a little bit, but they should be good. The pickled eggs have sat in the fridge for 3 days, and now is the moment of truth. So that, what you see there, is the extra onions that were sitting on top of the jar. I had to move them out of the way so we could get an egg out. And there is what we have. There is our egg. So Gavin, Maddie, let's give them a try, guys. What do you think, Gavin?
I love them.
Yeah? What do you think, Maddie? You're not sure? Do you want me to finish it for you? Maddie does not like it. What do you think, Gavin?
I love it.
Yeah?
I love it.
Okay. Maddie's gonna try again. What do you think? Okay, so we got an I love it from Gavin and a shrug from Maddie. I guess that means they're good? Gavin?
Yes.
Thumbs up? Alright. Oh, you're the worst. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up down below, leave me a comment, and if you have not yet, please subscribe.